Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to order a virtual card in Payoneer. First, it's important to know that Payoneer requires at least $100 to have passed through your account within the past 6 months before you're eligible to create a virtual card. If that hasn't happened yet, I recommend transferring some funds to your Payoneer account first. Now, let's get started. Log into your Payoneer account and head to your dashboard. From there, choose which of your accounts you'd like the card to link to. I'll choose the USD account and click on Order Card. Next, you'll be given the option to choose between a physical or virtual card. I'll go with the virtual card and click Next. Then, select the currency of your card. I'll stick with USD and click Order Card. After a short moment, you should see a confirmation screen letting you know your card has been successfully ordered. And that's it. That's how you order a virtual card for your Payoneer account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.